Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the AVM YouTube channel, where we learn all about drones and talk all about business. Today, we are going to be looking at an RPAS/UAS. If you are familiar with the drone industry, you will be familiar with these abbreviations, although many of us are still not so clued up as to what these abbreviations actually are or stand for. They used to be known as an RPAS. This is just your drone system. The RPAS is the remotely piloted aircraft system, as it used to be called. It's the remote control and the drone put together. However, since the regulation changes, it has since become the UAS, unmanned aerial system. Simply put, it is the aircraft and the drone working together to form the RPAS or UAS. That's actually meant to say the aircraft and the remote control. Okay, you can see I've gone ahead and changed that there. Then we've got to move on to this RPAS breakdown. So when broken down, an RPAS simply is the remote control and the drone or the aircraft. They are two separate entities that when you combine them, that ends up then creating the RPAS, because your remote control and your drone are working together. So the remote control is then abbreviated to what is called an RPS, and the drone or the aircraft is then abbreviated to an RPA.